again, very good afternoon to you, sir. Oh no, that's a heavy blow. He's up on his feet again. Oh no, that's straight in. That is zeroed in. He's doing his absolute best, and he does appear to look unconcerned, but wow, that was a nasty bouncer. Well, the first part of the protocol is that they will always replace the helmet once it's taken a blow deemed to have been damaged. Straight on the grille, absolutely dead straight on the grille. First one was high and wide. This is just zeroing in, and with huge pace. That's good bowling. Really is good bowling. And again, good line.
Lovely shot. That'll do his confidence some good. You don't get many drives from Archer. First one he's got is put away for 4. Come back. Played. Key there was dropping the gloves. This time the helmet was safe, but he didn't want it to flick the gloves. Yep, squirted away. It's always going to go in that direction, down the slope. 36 for 2.
Do not go anywhere. There's plenty to twists and turns and plenty to happen for the rest of the day. Oh, it's another good bouncer. Yeah, good shot.
Jofra. Wait there, wait there.
I think he's done remarkably well so far, Labuschagne.
Oh, well bowled again. Pretty tidy over. 49 for 3. Well played. England are close here. Oh, well bowled again. Not his best one for the day so far, Archer. We've had a wonderful summer of cricket so far with a World Cup and England winning. Oh, well bowled again. And now we've got a debutant coming in bowling 90 mile an hour plus thunderbolt. Oh, well bowled again. Oh, it's going to be 5. There's been plenty of overthrows here at Lord's in recent times. As we've said a few times, pace from one end and spin from the other. It's a test out there of courage and technique. Marnus Labuschagne is passing it pretty well at the moment.
And forms have been signed to allow him to play.
4 low scores. He's a class player. I'm sure he'll find a way. Be a couple here. Might even get a bit more than that. Just looking at the pace here, Jofra Archer's consistently been up. The last spell we saw yesterday and today up around 91, 92, 93 mile an hour. Seatbelts on. Oh, and a little fiddle. Oof. Well played. Yeah, best way to play someone that's on fire is get up the other end.
Re-slips on the gully, forward short leg. But he has not been bothered in the least. There he goes again, just shuffling across that off stump, getting behind the line of the ball. It's a very impressive leave. Rode that well. Got on top of it again.
If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, don't forget to like this post, share it with your fellow cricket fanatics, and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into cricket history.